Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and this is my recap of the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked at the end of the video over here in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So the euro dollar made a big push down this afternoon. I think it's because Trump announced that he was going to talk about the automobile tariffs for Europe and the UK this evening, which I think is going to affect Europe more than anything, probably. So maybe that's why it's going down. Now, unfortunately, unless you're already short on this, I don't think there's really going to be an entry. I definitely wouldn't recommend shorts right now. I mean, I wouldn't go short now for sure, and I definitely wouldn't recommend longs right now. If you go up to the daily time frame, the next Fibonacci level is at 38%, so 1.0730 area. So unless you're like on the 1 minute time frame trying to scalp to the short side, I would probably be looking to hold on to a trade probably down to this area. And I definitely wouldn't be trying to catch a falling knife. So really, like my old mentor used to say, unfortunately, the strategy right now is to be holding on to a short trade, looking for an exit. Definitely wouldn't go short, and I would definitely not go long, at least until we get to the fib level. Or if it does make a pullback on the very short time frame, like the 1 minute time frame, you could possibly try to get a short down to the 38% Fibonacci retracement. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.